Energy. In nature, energy shapes design. From the smallest structure to the largest networks. Every cell has a function. Every organism adapts to its surroundings. Each ecosystem is an expression of energy. At Qair, we explore new ways to harness natural resources. We thoroughly tailor every project to seamlessly integrate with its environment. Leveraging the region's natural resources and maximizing energy output. Working collaboratively with local communities in all stages of the process, from vision to reality. Qair designs, builds, and operates renewable projects across the world. Our teams ensure and maintain the durability of our systems in every environment, every conditions. For us, diversity and flexibility are key to long-term energy security, which is why our robust global portfolio mixes offshore and onshore renewables, green hydrogen, e-molecules, and storage technologies. We offer bespoke solutions to reduce price volatility and assist our clients in achieving carbon neutrality. We are entrepreneurs with more than 30 years of experience working to create cleaner energy and deliver competitive and readily available electrons to our clients across Europe. Qair, the future is renewable.